Medyo mahirap since may 7 ball eh.
Actually, the push out is harder than the actual attack. He does now push.
This one is pretty good
So
para sa
safety.
kalaban. He went for it, I guess.
Yeah, may backup
Hang on.
yan. Safety. There's so many balls to hide.
Yeah, since maraming bola nga sa gitna. Medium speed.
Cross bank or another
Tago lang
safety.
ulit. Yes, using the balls at the middle. Kaya medyo may katagalan kung ganito.
Coming off the long rail, that's a foul.
Ooh.
Looks like he had an opportunity to use an extension doon, AJ, para mapag-isipan yung tirang yon. Looks like he fired it too fast.
With ball in hand opportunity now, Allen Solsona.